Hi Rick, I am Amrit Kaur from India. The date is 02 and this is my assignment 1 on data manipulation techniques. I have chosen my data source as Kaggle.com and my data set is the San Francisco's crime data. And this dataset contains the information about crimes in San Francisco and I'm going to analyze it. I have chosen this data because by analyzing this data we can perform actions, we can know the areas which requires the most attention by the police and they can act accordingly. This is my data set and it has 150,501 rows and 13 columns. I'm going to add a pivot table for this data on a new worksheet. And my question here is that what are the top 10 areas with the highest number of crimes? So for that I'm going to make the count of the category, and category means the categories of crimes that has happened, and I'm gonna need the areas in the rows, but as I only need the top 10, it's a lot of data, so I'm going to move it from here and add a filter to the addresses as value filter and top 10. Okay, so after adding the addresses, I have these top 10 areas with the highest number of crime rate. Now I just want it to be sorted, so I'm just gonna sort it from largest to smallest. Yep. So now I have my pivot table and I'm going to need a visualization for this data, and I'm just going to add top 10 areas with highest crime rate in San Francisco. Yep. And I'm gonna just make it look better. Yeah, this looks good. So this chart here shows the top 10 areas in the descending order of the highest number of crime rate in San Francisco. So this data can be used by the police to know which areas need their most attention, and they can put more workforce there, and that would be very helpful for that area. Yeah, this was my presentation. Thank you.